You cannot imagine what you can get with this fruit. Nature offers us a lot of fruits, which we sometimes despise for its appearance or for not knowing everything that it offers to our body. Guava contains properties that make it one of the best options for health. The benefits are diverse, and it is loved for the same reason. It is a very delicious tropical fruit. Its shape resembles pear with green skin and pale pink in its interior. Its pulp is somewhat hard and has small seeds. Next we tell you what are the benefits of guava. They are very good. 8 benefits of guava. 1. Combat diabetes. As mentioned earlier, infusion of guava leaves helps to regulate blood sugar levels, and fruit juice has the same effect as infusion. In fact, you will get better results if you consume it daily. 2. Oral health. Due to the antibacterial agents it contains, they help remove bacterial plaque and prevent gingivitis and other oral problems. In addition, it has analgesic properties capable of relieving toothaches. 3. Balances cancer cells. This is another of the great benefits that the superfruit under the name of guava gives to the organism, and is that thanks to the great properties that it contains, it helps to fight cancer. It does so by neutralizing the effects of free radicals to thereby prevent the proliferation of cancer cells. 4. Protect the heart. Cardiac problems top the world lists. In fact, it is one of the main causes of death, but this fruit can also fight it. Just boil guava leaves to create an infusion. Cholesterol and triglycerides can be lowered and also regulate levels of sugar in the blood. 5. Fortifies the immune system. Due to the high content of vitamin C, guava is able to fortify the immune system, helping to protect against possible diseases and viruses. A great reason why should be consumed.